Welcome back to my channel, guys. Today I'm gonna be prepping this chicken. I'm gonna bake it in the oven. This are the ingredients I'm gonna be using today. So let's get started. We have garlic and ginger paste here mixed together. We have pepper, we have cumin, salt, onion, butter, we have chicken masala, we have tandoori masala, and other ingredients, oil. I'm gonna use oil, and you'll see. All right, let's get to it. So here's my chicken. It's wet. I'm gonna pat it down. I'm gonna make it dry. You want your chicken to be dry, otherwise your seasoning will just be water. After you're done patting it with the tissue, I'm gonna put some salt in it. Now that you're done rubbing the butter in the chicken, you want to
mix your spices together now. I add oil with mine, even though the chicken already has so much oil, but can never have enough oil. I'm gonna put the rest of this. I'm gonna put the chicken masala. You wanna pack the flavor in there. More salt. Ginger paste. Mix it up.
Now that you have your paste, you have your chicken, you want to mix your paste into your chicken. So you have a pan here. You want to get your chicken, put it in the pan. You want to get your paste. There's my oven chicken. It looks so good. I'm gonna enjoy this with my rice and my beans. I'll show you later how I put it in the plate. Thank you for watching and goodbye.